Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Show by Nano. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet adorable crochet stitch for blankets and scarves. You can make any throw blanket with this beautiful stitch. First, you need your selected yarn. I will use Yarn Art Jeans plus Turkish yarn. You can use any fine or medium size yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 5mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle and measuring tape. First, make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 3. In this tutorial, I will make 210 chain stitches. Chain according to your selected size. In this tutorial, I will make 55 inches. After you finish your chain stitches, to make the first row, skip 2 chain stitches from the hook. In the third, yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through, then pull through 1 loop. Repeat this, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, pull through the last loop through 1 loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now pull through the last loop through all loops on the hook. Now you finished the first double bamboo, then chain 2, skip 2 chain stitches. In the next chain stitch, repeat the double bamboo, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, then pull the last loop through 1, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, then pull the last loop through 1 loop. Now you have 3, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, then pull the last loop through all loops on the hook. Now you finished a double bamboo. Repeat this, chain 2, skip 2 chain stitches. In the next, make 1 double bamboo stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row. After you repeat your stitches, in the last you will find 3 chain stitches. Skip 2 chain stitches. In the last one, make 1 double bamboo stitch to finish the first row. Now you finished the first row. To make the row number 2, chain 2, turn your work In the first double bamboo stitch, make 1 single crochet stitch, then chain 2, skip the 2 chain stitches, repeat in the next double bamboo, make 1 single crochet stitch, then chain 2, skip the 2 chain stitches, in the next double bamboo make 1 single crochet stitch, then chain 2. Repeat this to finish the row number 2. After you repeat all bamboo stitches, in the last you will find the last double bamboo. In the last double bamboo, make 1 single crochet stitch, now you finished the second row. To make the third row, chain 2, turn your work. In the first single crochet stitch, make 1 double bamboo stitch, then chain 2, repeat this, skip the chain 2 stitches, in the next single crochet stitch make 1 double bamboo stitch, then chain 2, repeat this, skip the 2 chain stitches, in the next single crochet stitch make double bamboo stitch, then chain 2. Repeat this to finish the third row. After you repeat the third row, in the last you will find 1 single crochet stitch. In the last single crochet stitch make 1 double bamboo stitch to finish the third row. To make the next row, chain 2, turn your work and repeat the second row. After you repeat the second row, repeat the third row. In this tutorial, repeat row number 2, then repeat row number 3 to finish your selected size. You can repeat rows as you like for your selected size. In this tutorial I made 16 rows. To finish your work, chain 1, then pull the yarn to fasten off and waving ends. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn through the last chain stitch. Fasten off and weaving ends with the yarn needle.